Hello, this is Nico, and today we are doing sway bar mounts on an air-cooled 911 Carrera. Very common. The problem here is that the sway bar mount on the rear has torn off of the chassis. And you can see these have actually been welded once before. That's not a factory weld job by Porsche. But then they tore off again. So the sway bar mount ears are located right here. And you can see this is a brand new Porsche sway bar mounting ear. We have welded in a new mount on this side right here. It's still hot to the touch, it's fresh. We're going to paint it black so it does not corrode. And then the same thing with this side. We're gonna paint this guy black so it doesn't corrode. But that's what it should look like when you're done. Weld. We don't weld completely all the way around like that. We leave that top piece without a weld. And that's just so, because if you weld too much of it, it'll actually weaken the structure. So because we're welding onto the structure of the car. So just one of the many things we do here at Charlie's. This is gonna be on about from 1978 through all 1989 models. This is a very common problem.